Welcome back to Artos Hub, where legendary machines meet the future of performance. And today, we are stepping into a muscle car that feels like it escaped from a wild designer's dream and landed straight onto the street. The 2026 Plymouth Sickfish Cuda is not just a revival, it is a radical reimagining of the Barracuda legacy, blending brutal American muscle with futuristic styling and insane performance. This car is built to shock, to roar, and to dominate, whether it is parked under neon lights or ripping down a straight highway at full throttle. The first thing that hits you about the Sickfish Cuda is its presence. This car looks alive. The body is wide, low, and aggressive, with sculpted lines that flow like a predator moving through water. The front end features a sharp, almost shark-like grille design with LED lighting that gives the car a sinister, glowing stare. The hood is long and muscular, with massive air intakes that feed the engine beneath, hinting at the power waiting to be unleashed. From every angle, the Sickfish Cuda looks like it is ready to attack. Under that dramatic hood sits a monster of an engine. Plymouth designed this car around a next-generation Hemi V8, rumored to push well over 700 horsepower in its top configuration. This is not a gentle cruiser. This is a street weapon built to deliver brutal acceleration and tire-shredding torque. The engine note is deep, loud, and raw, reminding you of classic muscle cars, but with a refined edge that comes from modern engineering. When you press the throttle, the Sickfish Cuda does not hesitate. It explodes forward with a force that pins you back in the seat. The transmission is designed to match that power perfectly. Drivers can choose between a high-performance automatic with lightning-fast shifts or a manual gearbox for those who want total control. Either way, the car feels alive in your hands. The steering is tight and responsive, and the suspension is tuned to keep this beast stable even when you push it hard. Unlike old-school muscle cars that struggled in corners, the 2026 Sickfish Cuda is built to handle both straight-line speed and aggressive driving through winding roads. Inside the cabin, Plymouth mixes retro muscle vibes with modern luxury and technology. The seats are deep, supportive, and wrapped in premium materials, designed to keep you locked in place when the car is under heavy acceleration. The dashboard features a large digital display that gives you everything from speed and RPM to performance data like boost, temperatures, and G-forces. Even though this is a hardcore performance machine, it still offers comfort and connectivity, making it a car you can enjoy every day. The engine responds instantly, the exhaust roars with authority, and the whole car feels like it is connected directly to your instincts. It is not a quiet or subtle machine. It is loud, proud, and designed to make every drive feel like an event. Continuing with the 2026 Plymouth Sickfish Cuda, this part dives deeper into its engineering, performance, and handling, giving you a closer look at what makes this car a true modern muscle masterpiece. Starting with the chassis, Plymouth engineered the Sickfish Cuda from the ground up with performance in mind. The frame is a lightweight, high-strength alloy, providing a perfect balance between rigidity and weight savings. This allows the car to remain incredibly stable at high speeds while keeping the agility needed for sharp turns and aggressive driving. Reinforced suspension components, including adaptive dampers and adjustable sway bars, ensure that the car stays planted whether you are cruising down a straight stretch or attacking a tight corner. The braking system is equally impressive. Plymouth equipped the Sickfish Cuda with massive carbon ceramic discs and 6-piston calipers at the front, paired with 4-piston units at the rear. These brakes provide exceptional stopping power and fade resistance, even during prolonged high-speed driving. Whether you are sprinting down a highway or performing emergency stops, the braking system ensures precise control and reliability, complementing the car's ferocious acceleration. Speaking of acceleration, the engine is the heart of the Sickfish Cuda. As mentioned in Part 1, the Hemi V8 is tuned to deliver jaw-dropping horsepower and torque. This engine incorporates the latest in forced induction technology, advanced fuel management, and lightweight internals. The result is a power plant that delivers immediate throttle response, blistering straight-line speed, and a growl that commands attention. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the ability to monitor real-time data like boost pressure, torque distribution, and lap times through the car's integrated digital display. The drivetrain is a combination of brute force and precision engineering. The rear-wheel drive setup emphasizes classic muscle car dynamics, giving you the ability to slide the car through corners when desired, while modern traction and stability controls keep you safe. For those who prefer a more controlled experience, multiple driving modes allow you to adjust throttle sensitivity, suspension stiffness, and stability systems. From rain-slicked city streets to dry racetrack conditions, the Sickfish CUDA adapts instantly, providing both confidence and excitement. Aerodynamics play a key role in the car's high-speed behavior. Plymouth designed the body with subtle yet functional aerodynamic elements, including a front splitter, rear diffuser, and active rear spoiler. These components reduce lift, improve stability, and enhance downforce without compromising the car's aggressive aesthetic. The wide stance and muscular fenders not only give the car a dominant road presence, but also allow for wider tires that improve grip and handling performance. The 2026 Plymouth Sickfish CUDA will focus on the final aspects that complete this modern muscle masterpiece, emphasizing usability, tech, and overall experience. The interior of the Sickfish CUDA strikes a balance between raw performance and driver-focused luxury. Plymouth outfitted the cabin with high-quality materials, including Alcantara, leather-wrapped surfaces, and brushed aluminum accents. Every touchpoint is designed for both comfort and grip, ensuring that your hands, legs, and body stay perfectly positioned during spirited driving. The bucket seats are deeply bolstered to keep you secure through hard cornering, while also being adjustable enough for long-distance cruising. The cockpit layout is centered around the driver, with all critical controls within easy reach. A fully digital instrument cluster displays real-time performance data, such as torque, horsepower, G-forces, and lap times, giving enthusiasts every metric they could want at a glance. Technology in the Sickfish CUDA complements its performance. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation. Performance apps allow drivers to record lap times, monitor tire pressures, and even adjust launch control parameters. Connectivity extends beyond the cockpit with remote monitoring, allowing you to check vehicle health, battery status for auxiliary systems, and even precondition the interior before a drive. Despite the car's aggressive capabilities, it doesn't neglect convenience, offering climate control, premium audio, and customizable ambient lighting to enhance the daily driving experience. Practicality is also surprisingly strong for a car of this class. The trunk space is larger than expected, allowing for luggage or weekend gear, while the cabin storage options keep essentials organized. Despite its performance pedigree, the CUDA is still drivable in city traffic, thanks to adaptive suspension, drive mode selection, and modern stability systems that smooth out the bumps while preserving the car's dynamic character. The driving experience is the heart of the Sickfish CUDA. The Hemi V8 engine delivers a sound and feel that is unmistakably muscle, with a blend of raw power and refined throttle response. The exhaust note is tuned to provide a deep, aggressive growl at low RPMs and a high-pitched roar as the Tash climbs, engaging all the senses. The chassis responds instantly to driver input, offering a connected, communicative feel that is rare in modern muscle cars. Even with its immense power, the car remains predictable and controllable, with modern traction and stability systems acting as invisible safety nets rather than intrusions. The exterior design completes the package, with aggressive lines, muscular fenders, and a wide stance that exude dominance on the road.